This film is about the first part of our holiday, when we took our boat White Magic from the River Medway up to the River Orwell and then onto the River Deban. My parents took their boat on the Sunday and sailed in a beautiful false 2 to 3 with sunshine and calm seas. However, Ian wanted to finish a race at the Medway Yacht Club on Sunday, so we delayed our start till the Monday, and we did our 9-hour sea crossing with 20-mile-an-hour winds on the nose. And it was a little bit bumpy. When we finally arrived at Shotley after 9 hours at sea, we were all absolutely exhausted and very wet and covered in salt. The dog and Elizabeth were really happy to be ashore, and Daddy and I were just exhausted actually and just ate, and I think we all went to bed by about 9 o'clock. The following day, however, we were blessed with really lovely flat calm seas, and we took our boat up to the River Deban and spent a couple of nights at the Tidemill there. We had a lovely barbecue, there was a great swimming pool that we tried out, and Izzy learnt to row, so we were starting to finally have some fun on our holiday. Oh, hang on, you haven't seen me yet. Here I am. Glamorous as ever. We do this for fun, you know. It's 28th of July. We left Stangate at 5:56 this morning. It's now 8:13. First of all, it was very lumpy, so Izzy and Winnie felt a bit seasick, so Izzy is now asleep again at the moment, and Winnie is down there where I've been sitting. You can probably hear the wind. Oh yeah, there's a storm over there. Over here, and I keep thinking that looks brighter. That's where we are at the moment. Does that show up? We're heading for this boy here, which is called the Maplin Bell. Probably a bit blurry that, isn't it? loving it as much. Picture of me. We made it 9 hours of pounding seas, 20-mile-an-hour winds on the nose. Doesn't sound too bad normally, but it's very, very shallow seas with a lot of short trop, a lot of spray. Ian and I were both feeling very ill. Izzy was brilliant, slept most of the 9 hours, petrified for most of it as well. The dog, I don't know if she's ever going to forgive me. She didn't like it. I think she probably was wishing she was belonging to somebody where she could just sit on someone's lap without being airborne most of the time, to be honest. There she is now, recovering. She was only sick once, which is an improvement, and it was on the floor this time, not the sofa. So again, I'm taking that as a positive out of this trip. Well, we've just left Shotley Marina. We've got Mum and Dad behind us. 10-mile-an-hour winds. We're slowly recovering from our horrendous trip, but the dog still looks petrified every time a wave comes. This is a bit more like it though, isn't it? All the sails up. We have a reef in as well. We're just playing it safe after the other day, because the other day it was meant to be this forecast, but they lied. Show you what's going on down here. Height of activity. Oh, my good parenting guide on a boat. Make sure your child has access to the internet and an iPlayer and crisps. Oh, and they're a bit grumpy as well. And then make sure doggy has somewhere nice and safe and warm to sleep. She's okay. And Mummy hopefully looks slightly more normal today. Normal glasses, not seasick glasses. On a nice beach. Beautiful sky. We're just going through the River Deban entrance. It's a bit scary because it's very narrow. You can see the water churning up over there. That is a big up there. Mum and Dad are hopefully following behind. Now we've got to navigate. Oh look, actually over here as well, you've got some breaking waves. See that? Actually, you probably want to appreciate just how near the land we are. There. Okay, for a sailor, this feels incredibly weird to be drawing 2 meters and be that near the river. And rocks. Let's not forget the rock. That's the beacon we were looking for. We are at Woodbridge. and we are having a barbecue. Well, to be fair, actually, we've drank and ate most of the barbecue. Elizabeth has the biggest marshmallow in the world. Check it out. The boat is there, behaving herself. Grandad is still eating with beer and wine on the go. Mummy's on to the wine now. What's happening there? Daddy has been a wonderful husband and toasting my marshmallow for me. And Winnie has been very out of character actually, and been very bouncy, trying to get everyone's food. Well, actually only Grandad's food. Mum just stole my marshmallow. And I think she's regretting it.
No. You'll have to give her something else when you get back on the boat.
She doesn't want. Don't give her marshmallow, Izzy. You're on camera. Actually, how you wind the dog up. Mm. They're just protecting their babies.
Can you help me, Mum? I don't like it.
No, you're safe. They can't get you. Winnie, come away before they eat you. Oh, they're horrible, aren't they? This is Izzy's first time rowing.
What's that, right?
Is she actually tied off?
Yes. Of course I am.
You'll go round in circles, is he?
Where's the hole?
Shall I walk you along to the back of the boat then, Izzy? Do you want to go out into the main bit?
You've got SWAN.
Which wants to get me?
Okay, well let's play here then. Sit down properly first, Izzy. Go on. Move your legs so you're sitting down properly. You can let go of the oars.
Daddy made the oars himself out of some broom handles.
That's it.
So honey, you've got to turn it so that the paddles are vertical. No, look at that one, it's flat. See it? That's it, perfect.
That's alright. Right, now. That's alright, like that, is it? It's fine. Right, so now, push your handles down so the blades come out of the water. That's it, right now. Push it away from you. Right, okay. Put them down in the water and then pull. Pull. Now let's go the other way. Now go the other way, Izzy. You're doing the right thing, but the wrong way round.
Oh, that way.
That's it. Hold on, look, that was twisted round.
So is that one. That's it.
Right, so push it down, push it away from you. Right, push it.
That's
into
it,
the water,
perfect.
Lift them up and pull.
Pull. That's it, that's it.
Wow.
Good girl. That's it. Brilliant. Look how. That's okay. Doesn't matter if you hit the boat, we'll pull you back. You're towing Daddy, Izzy. Well done. Oh, good. Oh, see? That's it. Now turn this one.
It's alright, Izzy. You just asked me to pull you from the pool. Go this way a bit, and then you can row us back. I'll row us this way, and then you row us that way, okay? That's alright, you stay where you were, Izzy.
What?
Stay where you were.
You're going really fast, Iz.
I'll keep going.
That's it, now you row
You're looking a bit relaxed there, Iz. Are you asleep? Bye bye, video camera.
You've been saying that now.
The first part of our film was taking the first part of our holiday. First part of our film. First part of our film is first. That'll do. That'll do, Harry.